Ever wondered why your purring companion suddenly takes on a vegetarian diet, nibbling on plants or grass? Well, you're not alone. This is a question that has puzzled many a cat lover and intrigued scientists for years. In our quest to understand our feline friends better, we've delved into this peculiar habit. Imagine cats, known to be obligate carnivores, going green. It's a sight that leaves many of us baffled. Now, before you start worrying that your cat is planning a switch to vegetarianism, let's clear up a few things. This behavior is quite common among both domestic and feral cats. Yes, that's right, it's not just your indoor tabby that's been caught green-pawed. Even those aloof alley cats have been spotted feasting on a blade of grass or two. So, what's the deal, you ask? Are cats trying to supplement their diet with some leafy greens? Or is it just a quirky cat thing, like their fascination with laser pointers or their penchant for squeezing into impossibly small boxes? Well, the truth is, it's a bit more complicated than that. While it may seem unusual, this behavior is actually quite normal and natural for our feline friends. Cats have been observed eating grass and plants for centuries. In fact, in the wild, cats often eat grass after they've hunted and eaten their prey. But why, you ask? Well, that's where things get interesting. There are several theories about why cats eat grass, ranging from aiding in digestion to helping eliminate internal parasites. But before we jump into these theories, it's important to note that each cat is unique and may have its own reasons for munching on your houseplants. Intriguing, isn't it? This seemingly odd behavior has a scientific explanation. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the curious case of feline herbivores, unraveling the mystery behind why your cat might be turning into a secret salad lover. To comprehend why cats munch on greens, we must first understand their digestive system. Cats, unlike us humans, are obligate carnivores. This means that they are primarily meat eaters, and their bodies have evolved over time to be highly specialized for this diet. The feline digestive system is a well-oiled machine, perfectly designed to handle a meat-based diet. From their sharp, pointed teeth, ideal for tearing meat, to their short digestive tract made for quick processing, each part of their system plays a vital role in sustaining their carnivorous lifestyle. Cats' stomachs secrete powerful digestive juices that break down the proteins found in meat. Their small intestines then absorb the nutrients, with the waste products being expelled through the colon. This process is highly efficient, allowing cats to extract a high level of nutrition from their carnivorous diet. However, when it comes to plant matter, cats are somewhat at a disadvantage. Unlike herbivores and omnivores, cats lack certain enzymes necessary for breaking down cellulose, the main component of plant cell walls. This means that when they eat grass or other plants, they can't fully digest them. The cellulose remains largely undigested and passes through their system mostly intact. So if cats are such specialized carnivores, why do they sometimes eat grass or other plants? Well, the answer to that is quite fascinating. Despite not being able to fully digest plant matter, cats are known to indulge in a green feast from time to time. This behavior, while seemingly contradictory, is actually quite common among domestic cats. That brings us to the end of our journey through the feline digestive system. We've learned that while cats are primarily meat eaters, their diet can occasionally include a bit of greenery. But this leaves us with an intriguing question. If cats can't fully digest plants, why do they go out of their way to eat them? Despite being carnivores, cats still indulge in a green feast. Let's explore why. Contrary to what you might think, cats are not just being quirky when they eat grass. This odd behavior is actually a part of their instinctual grooming routine and has several health benefits. Let's delve into the reasons why our feline friends enjoy munching on greens. Firstly, grass acts as a natural laxative for cats. Yes, you heard it right. Your little furball's love for grass is not just about the taste, it's about maintaining gut health too. Just like in humans, cats can experience digestive issues. One common issue is the formation of hairballs. As cats groom themselves, they swallow loose hair which can accumulate in their stomachs. Eating grass can help move these hairballs along and assist in their expulsion. It's nature's way of giving cats a little digestive boost. But the benefits of grass don't stop there. Grass also provides cats with essential nutrients they might not get from their regular diet. One key nutrient is folic acid, a type of vitamin B that plays a vital role in a cat's bodily functions. Folic acid aids in the production of hemoglobin, the protein that moves oxygen in the blood. This is crucial for your cat's well-being, as it ensures their body tissues are well oxygenated. To put it simply, when your cat is nibbling on some grass, they are doing more than just enjoying a salad. They're actively taking steps to maintain their overall health. It's a survival instinct, refined over thousands of years, and it's something that modern cats still practice today. So the next time you see your feline friend chowing down on some grass, remember, they're not just being a little odd. They're taking care of their health in the most natural way possible. But as with most things in life, moderation is key. Eating grass can be beneficial, but is it always safe? Let's find out. While grass can be good, not all that's green is beneficial for your feline friend. Just as with humans, cats can have adverse reactions to certain plants. There's an extensive list of plants that are toxic to cats, and it's important to be aware of them to keep your furry companion safe. Some common household plants that can be harmful to cats include lilies, tulips, and azaleas. These plants can cause symptoms ranging from mild irritation to serious health complications. Now you might wonder, what happens if a cat ingests a toxic plant? Well, symptoms can vary depending on the type of plant and the amount consumed. For instance, ingestion of lilies can lead to kidney failure in cats. Symptoms typically include vomiting, lethargy, and a lack of appetite. On the other hand, tulips can cause irritation in the mouth and esophagus, leading to drooling, difficulty swallowing, and loss of appetite. It's not just flowers that can pose a threat. Certain fruits and vegetables are also harmful to cats. For instance, the seeds, leaves, and stems of apples, cherries, peaches, and plums contain cyanide, which is toxic to cats. These can cause dilated pupils, difficulty breathing, and shock. In addition to being aware of the types of plants that are toxic to cats, it's also crucial to know what to do if your cat has ingested a potentially harmful plant. Immediate action can be the difference between life and death. If you suspect your cat has eaten a toxic plant, try to identify the plant and contact your vet immediately. Remember, time is of the essence. While it might seem daunting to keep track of all the plants that could harm your cat, there are resources available to help you. The ASPCA has a comprehensive list of toxic and non-toxic plants for cats on their website. Regularly checking this list and keeping your home and garden cat-friendly can go a long way in ensuring your cat's safety. While grass can be a health booster, certain plants can be deadly. So, how do you ensure your cat's safety? Ensuring your cat's safety while they enjoy their green snack isn't as hard as it sounds. So how do we provide our feline friends with safe grazing options? Let's dive into it. One effective way is to grow cat-friendly grass indoors. Not only does this give your cat a safe nibbling option, it also adds a touch of nature to your home. Consider growing cat grass, which is usually a mix of wheat, oat, rye, and barley. It's easy to grow, and cats absolutely love it. Now you might be thinking, but I don't have a green thumb. Don't worry, cat grass kits are readily available, and they're pretty straightforward to use. Simply follow the instructions, and within a week, you'll have a lush green snack for your cat. Plus, it's a fun little project that you and your cat can enjoy together. But what about those of you with outdoor cats or indoor cats that love to explore the outdoors? Well, it's a bit trickier, but not impossible. First, make sure your outdoor space is free of toxic plants. Some common garden plants like lilies, tulips, and azaleas are toxic to cats. If you're unsure about a plant, look it up or ask a professional. Also, consider creating a designated cat garden with cat-friendly plants. Not only will this give your cat their own safe space, it will also help protect the rest of your garden from their curious paws. Another important tip is to regularly check your cat for signs of plant ingestion. Look for bits of plant material in their mouth or fur, and monitor their behavior for any changes. If you notice anything unusual, it's best to consult a vet. Remember, it's all about balance. While grazing can be beneficial for cats, it shouldn't replace their regular diet. Ensure they're getting all the nutrients they need from their cat food, and consider grazing as an occasional treat. With these tips, you can let your cat enjoy their green treats without any worry. We've talked about the why and how of cats eating grass, but when should this behavior concern you? This is a question that many feline owners have pondered. Grass eating is a natural habit for cats, but like all things, it should be in balance. If your feline friend is eating grass more often than usual, and it's becoming a significant part of their diet, it might be time to take notice. This could be a sign that your cat is trying to soothe a troubled digestive system, or they may not be getting enough nutrients from their regular diet. Another red flag is if your cat is vomiting after every grass meal. While it's true that cats sometimes eat grass to induce vomiting and rid themselves of indigestible matter, this should not be a regular occurrence. If your feline companion is throwing up after every grassy snack, it may indicate a more serious underlying issue that needs professional attention. A third sign that there might be a problem is if your cat shows signs of illness after eating grass. If your cat becomes lethargic, loses appetite, or exhibits any unusual behavior after a grass meal, it's time to consult a veterinarian. These could be symptoms of a more serious condition, such as an intestinal blockage or a reaction to a toxic plant. The importance of seeking veterinary help in these situations cannot be overstressed. A vet can perform a thorough examination and run necessary tests to diagnose the problem accurately. They can provide treatment options and give advice on how to prevent such issues in the future. So, while it's completely normal for your feline friend to enjoy a little grass now and then, always be mindful of their behavior. Keep an eye out for any changes or signs of distress. And remember, you know your cat best. If something doesn't seem right, it probably isn't. Remember, while grass eating is normal, excessive, or problematic behavior warrants a vet visit. Trust your instincts and don't hesitate to seek professional help when necessary. After all, our furry friends rely on us to keep them healthy and happy. Understanding your cat's behavior can be as puzzling as a Rubik's Cube. But let's rewind a bit and recap the curious case of our feline friends munching on the green stuff. We dove headfirst into the feline digestive system, discovering how our carnivorous companions have evolved to handle a diet primarily of meat. Yet despite this, they often find themselves nibbling on a blade of grass or two. Not a common trait for a carnivore, wouldn't you say? This led us to explore the health benefits of grass for cats. It turns out grass is not just a snack for our fur babies, but it also serves as a natural laxative, helping them expel hairballs. It's a feline's natural way of maintaining their digestive health. Pretty clever, right? However, we also learned that not all that is green is good. There are potential dangers lurking in your garden or indoor plants, as some can be toxic to cats. That lush lily or beautiful begonia might look harmless, but they could spell trouble for our feline friends. We then shared tips for safe grazing, like providing your cat with their own grass patch indoors. This not only satisfies their grass-chewing cravings, but also keeps them away from potentially harmful plants. A win-win, if you ask me. And of course, we discussed when to seek veterinary help. While eating grass is usually harmless, if your cat is vomiting excessively, losing weight, or showing other signs of distress, a trip to the vet is in order. It's always better to be safe than sorry. So there you have it. We've journeyed through the ins and outs of why cats eat grass, from the twists and turns of their digestive system to the pros and cons of their grass-eating habits. Now that we've solved this feline mystery, you're one step closer to understanding your beloved pet's unique behavior.